Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Grand Venza, a nameplate that's making waves in Toyota's SUV lineup. If you thought the Venza was already a sleek and stylish mid-size option, get ready. Toyota has taken it to the next level with the Grand Venza. It's bigger, bolder, and packed with features that aim to redefine what we expect from a family SUV. The 2026 Grand Venza stretches the boundaries of the original Venza by adding more space, more comfort, and a touch of premium sophistication. It rides on Toyota's TNGA platform, which it shares with the Highlander and RAV4, but Toyota has tuned the Grand Venza for a unique blend of smooth ride quality and road presence. From the outside, it's easy to see the Grand Venza means business. A wider grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted lines give it a commanding look, while a sweeping roofline adds a coupe-like silhouette without compromising interior space. Step inside, and it's immediately clear that Toyota focused heavily on refinement. The cabin boasts high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an upscale design. Depending on the trim, you'll find options like a panoramic glass roof, ventilated front seats, and ambient lighting that makes night drives more relaxing. Rear passengers aren't left out either, with added legroom, rear climate controls, and USB-C ports for charging. The Grand Venza proves it's built with families in mind. Under the hood, Toyota continues its commitment to efficiency and performance. The 2026 Grand Venza is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid engine. Similar to what we've seen in other Toyota hybrids, it delivers around 219 horsepower, paired with an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission and available all-wheel drive. The focus here is smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, which Toyota estimates at around 39 miles per gallon combined. That's impressive for a vehicle of this size. Technology-wise, the Grand Venza steps up with Toyota's latest infotainment system. A standard 12.3-inch touchscreen takes center stage, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Higher trims get a head-up display, a digital rear-view mirror, and a 12-speaker JBL audio system that transforms your cabin into a concert hall. Safety, as expected from Toyota, is top-notch. The 2026 Grand Venza includes Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which bundles features like adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection. So who is the Grand Venza for? It's perfect for drivers who want something more upscale than the RAV4, but don't need the size or price tag of a Highlander. It's a sweet spot in Toyota's lineup, offering hybrid efficiency, premium touches, and everyday practicality in one sleek package. With its blend of elegance, smart tech, and eco-conscious performance, the 2026 Toyota Grand Venza isn't just a bigger Venza, it's a smarter choice for modern families. That wraps up our look at Toyota's latest mid-size marvel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Rolling Legends. Thanks for watching.